A tenant's kitchen faucet is leaking. Instead of hunting for a phone number, they can just scan a QR code taped to their door, and they're instantly chatting with an assistant that already knows exactly which unit they're in. No typing an address, no explaining where they live. That's the property management chatbot we're building today, and it's a setup most bots don't have. In this video, I'll show you how to build one from scratch and deploy it live. Let's get into it. Log into your WotNot dashboard and head to the bot builder. Click Build a Bot, select Build an Inbound Bot, and choose Web as your channel. WotNot gives you ready-made templates here, but we'll build this one from scratch so you see exactly how the logic works. First, the trigger block. Here's the piece that makes the QR code idea work. Each unit gets its own QR code, linking to this same chat, but with that unit's number attached to the link. The trigger block can store or inject that value straight into a variable the moment the tenant lands here. So the unit number is already known before the conversation even starts. No need to ask for it. Right after the trigger, add an AI agent block. I'll rename it Maintenance Assistant, since that's the context for this build. First, write the prompt. Cover the agent's persona as a helpful, calm property assistant, its tone, response style, and a guardrail to never promise an exact repair time. That depends on technician availability, which only your team can confirm. Here's the part that's different this time. Instead of asking name and phone, ask the tenant directly what kind of issue it is: plumbing, electrical, HVAC, or general. But don't ask for urgency separately. Have the agent read the description itself and judge how urgent it sounds. If someone says, "My AC completely stopped working and it's 95 degrees," the agent should treat that as urgent on its own, without a separate question. Right below that, set up one exit path. Name it Maintenance Request. It should trigger when a tenant reports a specific issue, not general questions about the property. Set the required variables to category and issue description. That's it. Unit number is already injected from the QR code, and urgency gets judged automatically by the agent from what the tenant types, so neither one needs to be asked. Finally, connect the AI agent block to a knowledge base. Upload your typical response times, what counts as an emergency versus routine, office hours, and lease FAQs, and it answers naturally from that instead of you scripting every question. Once the exit path fires, add a Google Sheets block. Rename it Log Maintenance Request, and map unit number, category, the full description, and the urgency the agent judged into a new row. Now your maintenance team has an actual ticket to act on, categorized, prioritized, and already tied to a unit, without anyone typing it in by hand. Add a message block renamed Confirmation. Thanks, I've logged your request. Our team will reach out shortly to schedule a repair. That's the whole flow. It ends automatically after this sends. For deployment, go to Settings, then Channels, and grab your embed snippet for web, same as any site. But here's the actual setup for this one. It's the same link for every unit. The only thing that changes is a small parameter at the end, after the question mark, with that unit's number attached. Turn each version into its own QR code, print it, and post it right on the door or somewhere visible inside the unit. Something as simple as, "Scan this QR to get assistance" does the job. Let's test it. I'm opening this through Unit 214's link, so the bot already knows where I live. I'll say, "My AC completely stopped working and it's boiling in here." Watch. It doesn't ask what kind of issue this is. It already knows it is HVAC. It just asks how long it's been out, logs the ticket as urgent, and confirms our team will follow up. And that's a working property management chatbot, live in minutes, no code required, answering real questions and handing your maintenance team an actual categorized ticket the moment a tenant needs help. This works for any property management company. Try it free at WotNot.io, and let me know what flow you want built next.